Good morning to our lecturer, Sir Petrus Banati. Today our group will be presenting Cornish and Stirling boiler. Firstly, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is Cecil Xavier John and my group members are Muhammad Kuzaini and Isri Wansa. I will be presenting Cornish boiler. Cornish boiler is an internally fired horizontal fire tube boiler in which the hot gas flowing through a tube increases the temperature of the surrounding water to produce steam. It is the most famous type of fire tube boiler. It has a cylindrical shell and is installed in the horizontal direction. These are the basic parts in the Cornish boiler: shell, grate, pressure gauge, fire tube, side flue, bottom flue, ash pit, chimney, manhole, safety valve, steam top valve, and water level indicator. And the last one is blow-off cock. These are the diagram and some pictures of Cornish boiler. As we can see, it is cylindrical shaped shell and its placement is horizontal. These are the working principle of Cornish boiler. A Cornish boiler works on the principle of thermal conduction, which is the diffusion of thermal energy or heat within one material or between materials in contact. That is hot gases emerging from the combustion of fuel with air pass through a fire tube and transfer the heat to the surrounding water by thermal conduction. Second, fuel is inserted through the fire door placed over the grate and burned over the grate, which emits hot flue gases due to combustion. And the third, the grate is provided with equal spacing to ensure complete combustion of fuel with the air. The fourth one is the hot flue gases from the grate travel through the fire tube. The fifth one, then the gases move along the side flue and enter the bottom flue. The sixth one is the water in the shell is heated from the bottom by the bottom flue. And the seventh, when the gases increase the temperature of the walls of the tube, heat transfer takes place between water and tube walls. And the eighth one is this heat transfer increase the temperature of water, so it start boiling and converts into vapor or steam. And the ninth, the gases after passing through the bottom flue finally exit the atmosphere through a chimney. Advantages and disadvantages of Cornish boiler. The advantages are the design is simple and easy, the construction is easy and compact, it is a portable type of boiler, the maintenance and construction are lower cost, it can handle load fluctuation to some extent, and it has ability to overcome load fluctuation. And the disadvantages are it has a low production of steam rate, which is around 1350 kilo per hour, and the pressure is low compared to other boilers, which is 12 to 13 bar. And the last one is it need more ground space because of the horizontal structure.
Alright, so we go to stirring boiler. Stirring boiler is a type of boiler. It's a high pressure, high efficiency bent water tube boiler coupled with an externally fired furnace and invented by Alan Stirling in 1888. So next we go to the part of stirring boiler. We have a superheater, steam circulation tube, water circulation tube, safety valve, flue gas outlet, brickwork enclosure, steam drum, mud drum, and the last one is bent water tube. So next we go to diagram of stirring boiler. So here we have the schematic diagram. We have a real design and installation on the factory. So next we go to work principles. So the first one is water is filled into the first drum from feed water. Next, the water travels to the bent tube and further goes to the second of and third steam drums passing by the mud drum. Then the third is the mud box settles down some impurities as well as unwanted particles coming from the feed water and future pure water goes to the steam drum via vent tubes. So next, all three of the steam drums are connected with the circulating tubes to circulate water and steam to each other, thus future maintaining the desired level in all three drums. Then the fifth is flue gas coming from the combustion chamber heat up the vent tubes and future water inside the tubes. Then the heating of the water creates steam and generates steam collect at the upper level of the steam drum. And the last one is collected steam is sent to the superheater to superheat the steam and send it for use. So the last one, we go to the advantage and disadvantage of this boiler. So the advantage is easy to clean the boiler, able to produce high quality steam, high in efficiency, quick installation, then handles load variation effectively. Next we go to disadvantage. There is lots of effort is needed to run this boiler. It is expensive, and compared to its size, it could be more efficient than now. Thank you.
Okay, next we go to the best boiler. The best boiler is Stirling boiler. There are 4 factors that we choose the Stirling boiler as the best boiler. First factor is regulatory compliance. For Cornish boiler, not fully comply with modern safety standard outlined in the machinery regulation. And for Stirling boiler are more likely to comply with modern safety regulations. The second factor is safety features. For Cornish boiler, could pose risk in terms of pressure management, water level control, and overall operation safety. And for Stirling boiler typically incorporate modern safety features such as pressure relief valve, water level indicator, and automated control. Next, we go to the third, efficiency and performance. For Cornish boiler have a simple design and easy to operate. The efficiency might not match that of more modern boiler design. And Stirling boiler generally offer high efficiency and great steam generate capacity, which could add advantages in industrial settings. And the last factor is maintenance and inspection. For Cornish boiler are simpler in design and may require less complex maintenance procedure. And for Stirling boiler might require more frequent and detailed maintenance due to the complex design and additional safety features. Okay, next we go to the conclusion. Considering the regulatory requirement outlined in the Factory and Machinery Act 1967 and the Machinery Regulation of 1970, the Stirling boiler is likely the better choice for compliance. It is modern design, incorporation of safety feature, and potential for higher efficiency make it a more suitable option for meeting regulatory standard while also providing adequate steam generation capacity. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.